Hello students, today again we are going to discuss multiple angle from the book SN sum number 16. In question they have given if the values of a is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2 and sin a plus cos a plus sec a plus cosec a plus tan a plus cot a equal to 7, then we need to prove that sin 2a is the root of the equation x square minus 44x plus 36 equal to 0. So now I am going to show you the solution, how to do the solution. Next I am going to show you. So first I will write this expression sin a plus cos a plus sec a plus cosec a plus tan a plus cot a equal to 7. So now first what to do, sin a plus cos a plus sec a plus cosec a equal to, we will interchange tan a and plus tan a plus cot a from left hand side to right hand side. So it becomes 7 minus tan a plus cot a, as I am taking common minus, that is why tan a plus cot a. Okay, I am taking minus common, that is why after interchanging side minus tan a minus cot a becomes tan a plus cot a. Now next what to do, sin a plus cos a plus sec a we can write 1 by cos a, and cosec a we can write 1 by sin a. Similar way 7 minus tan a we can write sin a by cos a, and cot a we can write cos a by sin a. Now next what to do, sin a plus cos a, we will put these two terms inside a bracket. Now we will do LCM cos a and sin a. So we will get sin a cos a. So here please check cos a is there. So after dividing, first we will divide sin a by cos a, sin a into cos a by cos a. Then we will, after dividing, we will get cos a gets cancelled, sin a will be there. So sin a will be multiplied with 1. So here we will write sin a. Similar way we will follow for this term. So first we will divide sin a into cos a by sin a. Sin a will be cancelled and we will get cos a. So cos a will be multiplied with 1 equal to 7, and here 7 minus sin a into cos a, LCM will be sin a or cos a into sin a. Now same thing we will do, we will divide this LCM by cos a, then we will get sin a, and sin a will be multiplied with sin a. So it becomes, result becomes sin square a. Plus next what we will do, so now we will divide this LCM cos a into sin a by sin a. So now sin a will be cancelled and cos a will be the result, and now cos a we will multiply it with this cos a. So cos square a we will get. Now next 7 minus cos square a. Now what to do, so now sin a plus cos a we will take common from these two terms. So sin a plus cos a we will take common, then remaining result will be 1 plus 1 by sin a into cos a. Here 7 minus sin square theta plus sin square a plus cos square a, we know 1, so we will put 1 here and cos a into sin. Now next what we will do, sin a plus cos a, and here 1 plus 1 by sin a into cos a there. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2 to make this expression sin 2a, to make this expression sin 2a. So I am showing you 1 plus 2 into 2 by sin a into cos a. Similar thing Similar steps we will follow here. So we will multiply this numerator and denominator by 2. 2 by 2 into sin A into cos A. Here we will write. So now next step we will follow. So sin A plus cos A into 1 plus 2 by 2 sin A cos A, we know sin 2A. We will write sin 2A here, equal to 7 minus, same thing we will follow, 2 sin A into cos A, that is sin 2A. Now next we will square. We will square both sides. So here we will write squaring both sides. So now we will get sin A plus cos A square into whole square, actually multiplication is there, that is why I am writing sin A plus cos A whole square, 1 plus 2 sin 2A whole square equal to 7 minus 2 sin 2A whole square. Next what to do? So sin A plus cos A whole square, so we will put this expression in A plus B whole square formula. So we will get sin square A plus 2 sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A into cos A. Okay, now here we will write 1 plus 2 by sin 2A. So 1 will be 1 square plus 2 into A, that is 1, into B, that is 2 into sin 2A, plus 2 by sin 2A whole square, that is 4 by sin 2A whole square sin square 2A, equal to 7. Same thing we will do here, 7 square, that is 49, minus 2AB, so 2 into 7 into B, 2 by sin 2A, 2 by sin 2A plus 2 by sin 2A whole square, so that is 4 sin square 2A we will get. Now next what to do? Sin square A plus cos square A, here we will get 1 plus 2 sin A into cos A, we will get sin 2A, and here 1 plus 2 2s are 4 sin 2A, we will get plus 4 by sin square 2A we will get, equal to 49 minus 2 into 7 into 2, 28 by sin 2A plus 4 by sin square 2A we will get. Now what to do? We will first 1 plus sin 2A, we will keep it same, and here we will do the LCM. So sin 2 and sin square 2A, LCM will be sin square 2A. Now sin square 2A into 1, here we can write sin square 2A plus, so sin 2A, so first we will divide this LCM by sin 2A, then sin 2A we will get, that sin 2A will be multiplied with 4, so we will get 4 sin 2A plus sin square 2A divided by sin square 2A, we will get 1, 1 will be multiplied with 4, so this expression we will get 4. Now equal to, we will write same thing we will do, sin square 2A will be the LCM. Now sin square 2A will be multiplied with 49 sin square 2A minus, first we will divide sin square 2A by sin 2A, then we will get sin A sin 2A, and then sin 2A will be multiplied with 28, then we will get 28 sin 2a plus 4 sine square 2a divided by sine square 2a, there will be 1 will be multiplied by 4. That is that result we will get. Now next, sine square 2a and sine square 2a will be cancelled from both the sides. Now next what to do? Now next we need to multiply this expression with this expression. So then we will get 1 into sine square 2a, that is sine square 2a, plus 1 into 4 sine 2a, 4 sine 2a, plus 1 into 4 plus 4, plus sine 2a into sine square 2a, sine cube 2a. Now sine 2a into 4 sine 2a plus 4 sine square 2a plus sine 2a into 4 sine 2a equal to, here we will get 49 sine square 2a minus 28 28 sine 2a plus 4. Now please check, 4 we will cancel from both these sides. Now we need to arrange sine square 2a and we need to search here 4 sine square 2a. So sine square 2a, 4 sine square 2a, it becomes 5 sine square 2a plus 4 sine 2a, 4 sine 2a, that is 8 sine 2a plus sine cube 2a, sine cube 2a equal to 49 sine square 2a. From here we will take common. So first let me write 49 sine square 2a minus 28 sine 2a. So from this expression we will take sine 2a common. So after taking sine 2a as common, then 5 sine 2a plus 8 plus sine square 2a we can write after taking sine 2a as common. So from this expression we can also take sine 2a common. Sine 2a, 49 sine 2a minus 28 we can write. Now next what to do? Sine 2a will be cancelled from both the sides. Now we need to arrange. So here we can write sine square 2a plus 5 sine 2a plus 8 minus 49 sine 2a plus 28 equal to 0. Directly we can write. So now sine square 2a plus 5 sine 2a minus 49 sine 2a. So it becomes minus 44 sine 2a. Now plus 8 plus 28, it becomes plus 36 equal to 0. Now putting sine 2a equal to x, then we get, okay, now I am putting, instead of sine 2a we are putting sine 2a, substituting the values of sine 2a by x, then we will get x square minus 44 x plus 36 equal to 0. Therefore we can write that sine 2a is the root of the equation x square minus 44x plus 36 equal to 0, hence proved. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you.